The management of Maryam Abacha American University of Niger, MAAUN Nigeria, has condoled the parents of a student, Aliyu Musa Koko, who died on Wednesday, 28th of September 2022 after a brief illness. Before his death, the deceased was a 300-level student of the University of International Relations Department. The condolence message was contained in a statement by President of MAAUN Nigeria, Professor Abacha, and issued to newsmen in Kano on Thursday. The management of MAAUN described the death of the student as a huge loss not only to his parents and relatives, but to the entire staff and students of the university. Professor Guerzo, who is also the founder and chairman, described the late Aliyu Musa Koko as a disciplined student who had so much respect for his teachers and all the people around him. On behalf of the management of Maryam Abacha American University of Niger, we wish to extend our condolence to the parents and relatives of the deceased. The management of the university wishes to also commiserate with the government of Kebbi State and the entire student of the university over the demise of Aliyu Musa Koko. May the Almighty Allah forgive his shortcomings. Ameen. Professor Guerzo also prayed Almighty Allah grant the deceased Jannatul Firdaus and give his parents the fortitude to bear the irreplaceable loss. The deceased student had since been buried in his hometown in accordance with the Islamic rites.